What's up, people? Jacob here again. Another Zeppo Works video for you. I'm in the garage. Gonna put some work in the car right now, so heading outside. We get into the element. Got the part here. Show you guys. Get this out. I'm just loving this. Got a bunch of parts. You see it? Vtec. Alright, look. We got changing the Vtec solenoid. I had a code for this. I'll show you guys in the scanner. Let's see right here. And it goes back there. Stay tuned. I'll get into this. Okay, so now I got that clip off. Get your 10 out and your ratchet and just start breaking the, we'll take off the, I'm just gonna do it from right here and get these all undone and get the solenoid swapped out with the waiting. That needle's still there. The drain pan on the bottom, this will leak some oil. Yeah. Give it oil change, really good. I got the new seal, lubricated knife, new Vtec solenoid in. Surprise! You gotta take these screws out and see the airbag that comes out. This nut in the center. Took that off, and then I just, I'm gonna continue with the wheel in. Okay, I had to take off the steering column covers and stuff, and plug thing here that was there to get access to the. It's kind of boss switch. So. Okay, now for the shift knob on here.